The EMPC proprietary OpenGL viewer is one of the more popular features incorporated into the NOVICE Graphic User Interface. The viewer allows users to more easily verify the relative size, location, and orientation of modeled geometric objects. In this video, we will offer a brief introduction to the viewer and describe a few of its basic features and capabilities. In order to open the viewer, you first need to select a CAD file to view. Here we go to the Geometry tab, and then we hover over CAD in the drop-down menu. Then we click on Import File. This opens an Import CAD file window. To choose a file to view, click on Add File. You can select a file from anywhere on your computer. As an example, under your NOVICE license, there's a data tree folder, and under the data tree folder, there's a step file folder. Scrolling down, we find 3 example step files. We select the second one, Batteries, and open it. Now at this point, we're going to click this box, Process CAD File with File Preview. This will give us the option of selecting specific objects to view from the CAD file, a process we'll describe at the end of this video. Now we click on Process, and our CAD file is loaded into the viewer. There are a number of ways to manipulate objects in the NOVICE viewer. To zoom in or zoom out, position your cursor near the upper limit of the image field. Now, click and drag horizontally across the upper edge of the window. To zoom in, drag to your left. And to zoom out, drag to your right. The viewer also features a cut-through function, which allows the user to simultaneously pare away layers from all 6 sides of an object, making it possible to see the object's inner layers. To use the cut-through function, position your cursor near the top of the image field. Then click and drag vertically towards the bottom of the window. To restore the missing layers, click and drag vertically from the bottom of the window to the top. If you want to change the color of the image background from black to white or from white to black, you can do so by pressing the letter Q on your keyboard. You can make your object stop rotating by pressing the letter A. At that point, if you want to manually rotate or otherwise manipulate the position of the object, you can do so by clicking and dragging, holding your left mouse button down, and then moving the mouse to achieve the desired orientation. Press the letter A again if you want to resume automatic rotation. You can move an object's position within the image field horizontally by using your keyboard's left and right arrow keys, and vertically by using the up and down arrow keys. Pressing the letter B on your keyboard will put the image into blend or see-through mode, making it possible to view multiple layers of the object simultaneously. A number of other command shortcuts can be accessed by right-clicking in the image field. These tools can allow the user to quickly execute a number of specialized views of an object. To exit this application and to return to the primary CAD file view, click on the alpha icon in the upper left-hand corner, and then click again in the image field. If you want to view specific component objects, you can access them either through the cad1des.txt file or through the sortwide.txt file. To view items through cad1des, while holding down the Control key, click on the object or the objects that you want to view. Now right-click and select Object Preview. The process is the same in Sort Wide. Press down the Control key and then click on the object or the objects that you want to view. Then right-click and select Object Preview. Here we see a view of a single object.